Hello students, how are you? In the last few classes, we read about different kinds of animals and birds and their habitat. Today, we are going to learn something new. So, today's topic is young ones of animals, and we will also learn about insects in the second part of the video. Children are fond of animals. Like humans, animals and birds too have young ones. These young ones are known by their special names. Some animals give birth to young ones. Other animals like birds, reptiles and insects lay eggs from which babies comes out. A whale gives birth to a young one and a crocodile lay eggs. Parent animals take care of their babies till they are old enough to take care of themselves. Parent animals take care of their babies by feeding them. Let us now learn the names of few animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. The baby of a dog is called a puppy. The baby of a chicken is called a chick. The baby of a cat is called a kitten. The baby of a sheep is called a lamb. The baby of a cow is called a calf. The baby of a deer is called a fawn. The baby of a horse is called a foal. The baby of a tiger is called a cub. The baby of a pig is called a piglet. The baby of a kangaroo is called a joey. The baby of a lion is called a cub. The baby of a duck is called a duckling. Now, let's answer the following quiz on animals and their young ones. The young one of a pig is called a piglet, B. foal, C. kit, D. none of those. What will be the answers, children? The right answer will be piglet. The young one of lion is called, options are A. calf, B. cub, C. lamb or D. pup. And the right answer is cub. The young one of a deer is A. fawn, B. lamb, C. cub, D. colt. And the right answer is fawn. Next, the young one of a cow is called A. pup, B. chick, C. cygnet, D. calf. And the right answer is calf. The young one of a dog is A. kit, B. pup or puppy, C. foal, D. none of these. And the right answer is pup or puppy. Next, the young one of a cat is A. kit or kitten, B. lamb, C. fawn, D. cub. And the right answer is kitten. The young one of a kangaroo is A. foal, B. Colt, C. Joey, D. Cub. And the right answer is Joey. Next, the young one of goat is A. Calf, B. Cub, C. Kit, D. Kit. And the right answer is kid. Next, the young one of hare is A. Leveret, B. Infant, C. Gosling, D. Hatchling. And children, the right answer is leveret. The young one of a tiger is A. Fawn, B. Cub, C. Larva, D. Calf. And the right answer is cub. The young one of an elephant is A. Foal, B. Calf, C. Colt, D. Leveret. And the right answer is calf. The young one of frog is called A. Tadpole, B. Fry, C. Gosling, D. Hatchling. Children, what will be the right answer? Yes, it is tadpole. The young one of sheep is A. Piglet, B. Lamb, C. Kitten, D. Cygnet. And the answer is lamb. The young one of horse is A. Cub, B. Fry, C. Kit, D. Colt. And the right answer is colt. The young one of a gorilla is A. Hatchling, B. Kid, C. Infant, D. Pup. And the right answer is infant. Now children, let's solve the exercise on page number 10 of the textbook. Young ones. Like humans, animals and birds too have young ones. These young ones are known by their special names. Write the names of these baby animals and birds. The young one of a cat is called a, and the answer is kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Next, the young one of a lion is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Next, the young one of a duck is called a duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Next, the young one of a kangaroo is called a joey. J-O-E-Y, joey. Next, the young one of a sheep is called a lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Next, the young one of a hen is called a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Now, we are going to study about a new topic, that is insects. Animals that have 6 legs, antennae and a pair of wings are called insects. They live everywhere, in homes, gardens, open places and closed places. Whether you love them or you are bothered by them, insects are everywhere. You can see them in your garden, on trees, on television shows and even in zoos. They can be helpful like bees or annoying like mosquitoes. They are the largest group of animals on earth. There are between 6 to 10 million different types of insects, and insects are in thousands of shapes, colors, and sizes. Although there are many ways that insects are different, there are a few characteristics they all have in common. Insects are invertebrates, which means that they do not have a backbone. The body of an insect is divided into three parts. They are: number 1, the head; number 2, the abdomen; and number 3, the thorax. They have 2 antennae on their head and have 6 legs. Insects are as cold-blooded, which means that their body temperature changes depending on how warm or how cold the air around them is. Most insects hatch from eggs. Insects are of many different species. Half of all the insects are herbivorous, which means that they eat only plants. These plant-eating insects feed on leaves, roots, nectar from flowers, seeds, or wood. Some insects are predators, that is, they hunt other small insects and animals. There are some insects which are parasites, which means that they live on and eat the flesh or blood of larger animals without killing them. Few insects are sometimes irritating, but we also benefit from few insects. Insects like wasps, bees, butterflies, and ants helps to pollinate flowers when they are collecting nectar from them. Now, let's solve the exercise on page number 11 of the textbook. Insects. Animals that have 6 legs, antennae, and a pair of wings are called insects. They live everywhere in homes, gardens, open places, and closed places. Circle the insect in the pictures shown below. Use the help box. Now children, in this page you can see few pictures of the insects and few other animals. Now I am going to read the names and you are going to circle the picture. The first picture is of grasshopper. So it is an insect. So circle it. Next, red beetle. Red beetle is an insect. Circle it. Next, wasp. Wasp is an insect. Next, ant. Ant is an insect. So we will circle this also. Next, cockroach. Cockroach is an insect. Next, honeybee. Children, honeybee is an insect, isn't it? So circle it. Next, mosquito. Circle the mosquito. Next, housefly. So circle the housefly. Next, dragonfly. Dragonfly is an insect, so we will circle the dragonfly. Butterfly. Butterfly is too an insect, so circle the butterfly. Now children, there are few other pictures as you can see. Rabbit, snake, scorpio, crocodile. These are not insects. These are other animals. So we are not going to circle these animals. Okay. So children, I hope you enjoyed the class today. Thank you.